Piotr, to all these things. And I would like to applaud the IGP, the CID boss, and the Ghana Police Service for a very wonderful, swift investigations into a year. A month for now, Omoko attack Brekum Chelsea Bas na Omoko ball Premier League game. No, in fact, Ghana Police Service. And you know me, with me. When some things go wrong, I will speak on it. And when some things go right, I will make sure I applaud Nipa. And I would like to applaud the IGP. I would like to applaud the CID boss and the investigations, how quick the investigations, Omode Ebaso, effort Ekomu. Right now, so far, they said they have arrested some of the guys, Omo Ebo a year, Omo Atake, and also Robbie Brekum Chelsea Football Club, one of the players, in less than 72 hours, the Ghana Police Service are my results, and some suspects have been arrested. And this is what I've been talking about. When the police want to work, they work. When they really want to do the job, they'll do it. And that necessary support, I think we should continue giving them that support and encouragement. And I don't think it's these kind of things, just because police into it is because every time we try to assist the police, the police are swift, smooth, and fluid. And that is what we have seen in these few days. So police me breaky investigations with me suspects within 3 days, and less than 3 days. You need to understand, apart from the police putting a lot of effort, the investigative department led by Madam Lydia and the IGP himself, you could see they put a lot of hard work into this. But the most important thing is the police can go out there to investigate without the assistance of the citizenry. And Nipana, basically, they live with these bad people. It becomes very difficult for the police to do their job. And when you see something, say something. And I know, through the good work of the police, the intelligence they picked, and how swift they did their things, the citizenry and as a citizens, and so boa police, it me cracky case way. And you would like to applaud the CID boss. You would like to applaud the IGP. This is the kind of policing we want. We want the kind of policing that Ghanaians can trust and know. As some the police can get men on the ground and quickly get results. So I'm very impressed. I would like to say, Yohonu, the CID boss, all the leadership of Ghana Police Service, the good ones, we would like to applaud you guys for the wonderful job you guys are doing. I believe the police, they need all the support. They need every single intelligence. It helps them to protect us. The police, they don't work in a vacuum. They always need information from us. So they're ready to assist the police, to confide in them, to believe in them. Now police needs to show that it should be reciprocal. Say, you can't say you believe in the police. Say, you can't say you support the police. Say, you can't say you guide the police to do their job. The police should also show the same faith. The police should also trust us. The police should make us trust them. The police should always keep us. They are also supposed to be people we can confide in and share information with. That trust between the citizenry and the police, say break it. The police ceases to work, and the citizenry, our security also at the end of the day is messed up. Into Debiano, there should be a collaboration between the citizenry and the police. If the trust is there and the belief is there now, the police are able to work swiftly. So I would like to applaud the police for this very important arrest they have made. My condolences to the player, the family. I watched a video of a team, the young man now, the young man who died because of the sea, and I was so heartbroken. It was terrible. Say Obaya Kobobo, then the body number, they just a backpack. They say, a car. It's very tough for people or a family, a mother, a father to basically live with us. Inti, we would like to tell the police, we really appreciate the work they are doing. Whoever is part of these guys, we need to find every means to arrest them and make sure the law, the Emrano any. So I'll urge the police. We really appreciate you guys, the job you have done so far. Respect you guys, and every support you need. Our platforms are here. If we have to put some messages across, we will come to your platforms, your pages on Facebook, wherever you share your information. We will also let Ghanaians know what you are doing and the good things they need to expect from the Ghana Police Service. So kudos to the IGP, the CID boss, the very important police officers in Penifua who are dedicated in doing their job. Police service, we are seeing some kind of improvement. But when you go guys go wrong, I will not spare you. And I would like to say this on authority. So Ghana Police Service, I'm not going to spare the Ghana Police Service. I'm not going to spare the leadership. I'm not going to spare the IGP. I want things done right. It is not personal. And yes, will be, but things are supposed to be done right. And when things are done right, you are protected and protected. We are all saved. And intimate police force out here, the bad ones in the police service, we have to make sure we get rid of them. We need to uproot them, investigate those who are criminals in the Ghana Police Service, and make sure the law takes effect. And that is what we need to do as a country, as citizens. We need to, at the end of the day, we are not supposed to be selective about what we speak on when it comes to policing, protecting citizenry, and making sure the right thing is done. As much as I'm applauding the Ghana Police Service, the CID boss, the IGP, I'm also sending a caution, a warning. With all due respect, I'm sending some kind of friendly caution to the police. Do your work diligently, professionally. If we see that you people are slowing down or trying to be unprofessional, we are also going to spit fire. And that is something I want to put on the table. For now, we would like to say good work done. We really appreciate you guys for what you have done so far. Now, Mama Yenko Enim na yemfa other stories. And this is another story, very, very important. Team, are we good? Fallacy. Coming from TV3 Ghana, say you're deleting your maybe, now you're uploading your maybe, and this story is coming from TV3 Ghana. Almost a report and there enumere almost say Kumasi spare part dealers reject publican AI system, threaten 50 to 70% hikes in prices for wares. Ninyina brafo American ninyina asechire say you say nipa bi a omo Kumasi a omo tonton spare part. Any spare parts dealers or book master say abef computer ebeboa ama Ghana Ghana Revenue Authority and Ghana Bayanka Sankasa etumi enya sika dodo ewo Ghana port no abra nipa bi embu Ghana for emfa kutikwan bi so enwiaye because for years you will say importers the exporters no afa kutikwan bi so a omni custom officials bi etumi wiaye. Now Ghana government through the GRA commissioner and the finance ministry no almost to me the system biaba abefu fidia your friend publican AI system and no ena ebeboa custom officials no emamodi omudwuma na ni nyina fa senia sebia nyoma aba no omobe kan nyoma no ombehu se eboa wo se agene pepepe ne age ene senia obi entumi twimfem enti de akoni nyina ne se oman Ghana sika enwunu efa port no aban no afa ekwan pa biso a opese dipa omudi edwirum people who are stealing from us through the port conniving with some port officials no the government is finding ways to seal all those loopholes aban pese osi saa nyoma ni nyina no kwan enti ode abef computer bi aba ana system bi aba ye frɛ no publican AI. Now that story ya ye nuanom a omo asantememu titru asantememu Kumasi omo se aban no enyi saa AI publican AI no enfree port wa omo beto omo nyoma 50 to 70%. Omo se aban no the abane ya ebema Ghana yenya sebio eto kakra mfaso efree port agege ede akekere man no ye nuanom amoton spare part Kumasi ka ho nyoma ne ade se omo de aban enyim free ho sa aban enyim free wa omo nyoma omoton no ometum oha enchichemu eduonu anase ediosun which is 70%. Na question nyina ne say edu sometime I obusa ho say what makes people think say the country revolves around them. Nipa bi adentina nipa bi adwene yomo say oman na ye chechire no yomo kwanti na ye chechire man no. Because when it comes to this kind of AI and I say publican AI system where it is not only importers of the car parts and idiomo. Every single container be a befa your port or Ghana tema takra no sa system we na check it. And adentina mo ton car parts no adwene yomo say they are the only importers in Ghana. And now omoton hardwares no omojin say they are the only importers in Ghana. Sa sebio enkwasi asem no munyin firi mutrim. Because Ghana, our import and export, it does not revolve around moton spare parts. Kumasi and Ankrai. And this is going to Omo Kumasi no. Enti my junior would say, Samoka can some way buying, say I buy a new free wa, Mobatum Yomonwa, Namoja Mutumwa, Ayana affect you biana. Samutuma, Chinese for no, Ghana for better Chinese for Yamano. Ghana for no better foreigners in Yamano. Now we are my strike, a demonstration, be catch say, I obi jimu juma. Or mine ye team, or say a buying effa a quine beer, a year quine obetumi so ediabo or mine who buying, and making sure say, ye you sike you a porter, or say a quine be so near sino quine. Now a buying Atnasi emu say sa eye system we ene system a ebetuma aboama o my Ghana yenso nipa bi omudi adwum e wo port no ye betuma si sa de na no kwan na adenti na ma adwene ye mo say mo nyoma na mo kofo na obi anhye mo se mo kofo nyoma mfiri Japan mo kofo nyoma mfiri eye de Germany mo kofo nyoma mfiri abrochi China mbran beton no obi anhye wo no ade na ma adwene ye mo say mo nkwanti na ye kyekere Ghana no sa nkwasi asem we na aya na munjai he ayana mama amanfo nyina hu say majority of you moya kromfo entina you are against this AI system. The reason is that sa system we ba yi say wonya kromfo a ukofa nyoma na wutwife mu tema porter anata krade porter. Why would you be angry? I've heard people make arguments say I system na ba ye no e delay me nyoma say me nyoma ko demorrage. No, there's a system. If the system, a system, the fault in T and our nyomako demorrage, there is a way you can petition the GRE, the customs, and let them understand. Say, be a system waiting ama minyoma aye de ako demorrage, and I say ama minyoma kema maboka. But you cannot just sit and rubbish the system and say because you started this kind of AI system to support custom officials, no, into sa system yen tonchine. Ni ankofa ne embra na mu wiaye. Sebio se mumudu do no nim nyansa na sebio mumudu do no se nya kron na mpesa boy all that you have to do is to sit with the necessary authorities and tell them say mo system na mo de aba no e bia system no there are some things that needs to be done. At a point, something needs to be done. That means we cannot keep postponing. You cannot keep telling us, say, yentun sheda. At a point, a decision has to be made. And that decision is to make sure this AI system is operational. Now, the system whereby now say you are having some kind of glitches and you maybe delay or port wire. You do not rubbish the system and say your system is free. No, what you do is this system I am starting. Obviously, it's going to have a little bit of technical problems. That is fine, but the idea now, Moka say, any system if you total, it makes you people look like thieves. A creative impression will be able to say, "Moya kromfo." If you are saying, say, system ne abano, the way they are now inculcating the system, they are trying to make sure the system falls in line, and then the custom officials get to understand it. We understand it happens all over the world. Any new system you introduce is not going to work 100% efficiently. But you see, that is why there are systems. That is why there are customs, your immigration. That is why you need to also try and find a way to let them understand. In Tinkamwa motonton spare parts no sebio mododo politics na moye and na monya akromfo a you should have sat with the the customs, the commissioner or the GRA commissioner and said, okay, from this time to this time, maybe the next 2 months, no. Yenim some system no mo pese mo use it. Maybe a system enya effective 100%. So, say yenya any kind of losses. This is what we have to do. We need to sit with you people to draw another strategy for us making the losses. No, we can offset those losses. Sa cano embed so na yentumi enteki ebia a 2 or 3 months a duration. Near fan correct all these problems. But you just don't get up and say because we contain aba, we contain akokem because of system no the no inconsistent inti ama we contain akokem inti yenyi system ni free up na sako wia no. That nonsense no mo ya na mani pe bi hu say mo ya kromfo. In this world, there's no system I introduce so it my juma effectively 100%. There's nowhere in the world that the system yaba I juma 100%. That is why we have reforms. That's why we have updates. That is why we look at the system. We look at the way it works, the way it basically malfunctions and functions, and then we make the corrections. And there's a more problem with the system, how it's working and not working effectively the way it should work. That is a good argument. Then you can sit with a commissioner, you can sit with customs, you can sit with the authorities and say, okay, for the next 2-3 months, say na ekoso, say abubetuma bibia maye, ebia demorrage na your fault. Until for now, you people are putting the system together and it is working for you. We have to try and also meet at a point. Yani importers, ebia mobile some discount to me because nyoma will see a in 1 week, they say a in 2 weeks, nyoma will see a in 3 days, and a in 4 days. But you don't just come on TV, on radio, and have cause press conference with Kumasi. Now one can't Ghana for say because ebia system no one tias here and I say it's not going the way you want it to go into. Obe tu nyoma na otu nyoma Kumasi for bi ho. Otu nyoma Kumasi oba nkran na oba be nyoma. It's mama adwene nya mo say oman na ye no it revolves around spare parts dealers. Some nipa kuo kakra bi. Ye wo obi a odua jene ne ho wonfa so chen spare parts dealer bi. Ye wo obi a sebi oton atwemo. Ono so the tax na utua na no bi otua. So you people, that sense of entitlement ne san kwase adwene na aya na mama nkofo bi hye mochi na ye de mo ya politics mo a mugu kumase a moton spare parts specifically say swamefo a saa swame na moto na enfuturo ekumu no aban a ebetena so 8 years ebo be na ohye mo. You are still living in the dust more than wutim futuro dim mumu bebre mo nyinya cancer na hye mo ho ye nya kwan wie na mo wu. These are the kind of things you do what you advocate and say it should be done. Nyoma mo prim wusi amokofa be atachemu na mo de begu. Majority of them beton mo ton na say. You were in this country for 8 years. MPP beka kire mo swame ene mo spare parts dealers okumase say omo ba betene eye swame into edian help when it comes to edian cars near the Alanka gina stage kan ye ba omi gina stage kan ye achechide ne kan ye mo tena nkofo 8 years mo tuma kan yansasem ya nkire omo pam ho eko another place eko ye den eko twa ahomem ye kwan ne enti kroma na senso boache mo ankasa mo fase ofri kumase ko nkra ko twa ahomem si aye overhead na muti kumase wo na so amekra ntumi nye eni san kwase ade no mutwitwa so na politics na sesa sa nyoma we no sa ye expert pass dealers eni ye ntiase eni ye betum na utumi a me nti kumase o sa woto spare pass mo kumase a Chinese for na yeboa say omura retail market no sa Chinese for will take advantage of your market. They will make you people lose money. I na say Jimmy say you join the kuo and I say you are part of kuo I na kuo na mo join no mo go je meeting na dey na mo dwene ho mo go meeting you need to have what we call strategic meetings. Na mo de muni man say you spare pass dealers you association you nkwa yie we de ma ewu we de we yes ye ja no enkwasiade. Sit and ask yourselves questions. You need to be strategic in your the things you plead for. It is the system aba system no crowd what you read no want tiase. So you need to give yourself time. Say ebia inconveniences be because of the system no abeto so you go out as a team, as a group, as an organization, you approach the necessary agency and tell them ebia when nti ye boka kakra can you people meet us halfway. That is the time moba na fe tie mukasa. Na my bibia politics and ye beto nyomem na otu nyomem a FOB ho utu nyomem a Chinese ni beton ne de na wasa aboka lo na akwaji na besa de abetata ni asa jelu ye jimi dodo edu sometimes be say bibia politics ye ntumi pese ye bedwene ya dani penifo ne nkora na ye jimi. At this point this is not a kind of warning what they want in ma wan uti kuma say eto nyomem a FOB ho ni asa spare parts nkwa na interport unim the kind of groups are omo importing your Ghana. We don't import only spare parts. There are groups they import more things than spare parts dealers. But they be no more spare parts dealers mumubi muye rifonti. Muya kromfo money custom officials be a good tema port. Muya ewiye mobile masa be yiri nyoma so no. Anything na most system no mupe the system has come to stay. Moko abrochira mokofa nyoma na muduru port wa the same AI system na money omudi adwuma Moses anyoma mo pese omo computer ne charge mo pepepe na mo twa ne pepepe na mo beduru Ghana na mo afi mo to na mo bekeka nkwase asem eni TNT bi da mo pese mo tum a mo ntum sa mo pese mo tum nyoma mo 50% to 70% a mo ntum ni anhwe mo sori amano nkwase akeka instead of you people over America over Europe say unions episode money aban tenasia they put reasonable things on paper. Recently the GRA commissioner spoke on TV. We are making a lot of money from just introducing this AI system. Now nobody says the AI system we're perfect. Nobody has said that. Obviously there are some inconveniences at the port. We all understand because it's a new system. So what do? You want us to scrap the system? No. You need to meet the commission at a point. You need to meet GRA at a point. You need to let them understand. We support this. Maybe the inconveniences are getting too much. Maybe the system, the way you people are using it now, no, engineer and also into munkushini ya kakra. From this time to this time, no, mama a grace period be so be a bend demorrager because of the system now you're using it. More introduce no. Ebia more 10,000, more 3,000. Now you to me and so ever higher. That is how you talk. That is how groups talk. Anything and every time when there's a new introduction at our port, you people get up. Now, mama MPP from Kwasia Fochi Shemuchi. And Ghana nyina aban enko abroche nkobo besia mumusa mo se sika refri hinaba eye tax na mu wia na ye gege ne nde no ene na ye de ye kwan no mumu bi mu ya kromfo ntina de bia no mo sorry at the papa bi e be check system no. We are not saying say this publican AI system is 100%, but as time goes on we get to learn our lessons, we get to do some changes, we get to change the system, update things start to run smoothly. But for you people to come out and say yempe mabobodam na mo say AI system no mo japade mo say publican AI system no ebusia gold bi na da ko she kokko ase dey say monkofa. We are all Ghanaians. So we importing yama, me so be importing yama. So we importing yama, the ono so etopan no, or import air flour, or import air rice, or be so importing enyama fufro. There are people who are importing major things. Or one kasaye. Now mo just said they be almost sorry, and a spare parts dealers. Kind of force the chika. And a spare parts dealers. Ghana and Kwana about spare part dealer. And also ton cocaine. I did some because I used. Mobile must say home use. Nina a baller, abroche baller. Nyoma moko se sade ba krom ha me ton enu tina de bia ye ka assess o kwan so na nka ye quality test e we porter anka mo importers nka hwana betu ni ngina ba krom ha muntie me amemfa wi kakra ngum me say moi se bugu kumase ye betu nyoma 50% to 70%. Me say sanka ye quality check e we the kind of nyoma moko se sane Japan, Germany, any China, Bray say, engineer, and can mumu who ever between engineer Ghana. Majority of Nyama Moko Saba Kromaha, lifespan 2 years, nothing in say. Because a month for the tree, bola, abroche bola. Moses abroche bola, so many penny, trotro for top 2 days now say. Ya Tonyo Mashaka na say, Sanyo Marina Yanka, Upa Maba when Yanajuni say, he is going to be very, very strict on quality control our airport and come back to the bola Bagruma. Kamobe twango isa abroche bola na begu kroma mumbra mu wase ne enchechire man no de bia mo sore na mode mo adwuma mo ya mode ya politics enkwasiade mo ntiasia. The government can set up a team to move around the nation and do what we call education on the system. It can be done. If you want that, you do that, but you don't come out and say yes scrappy yen yim free ho sa nyoma bola na mo ko saba Ghana no me say ye kuro ne ye gi bola ntra African ye pabro chire bola. Na sanke honest about these things and kamumu nyina kamu 90% kamu out of business. Yeah. It mumi amano. Nana ode wade hye no wo kumase no. Edu sometime na na me pese me kase o, but wade hye bia sai dodo. Omo politicians use omo. For 8 years nana ye nyankase party eye de MPP etin menhia eye ba afọ akoto etiti ni mo remu £700 leti ye MPP betena Ghana menhia ayi so amekwan kra ye ntuma anye. And the NDC na asaba be so amekwan. Na masa fame to say mo ye press conference. Na enkwasi akeka enti mo ye we na ye nyina ye nsuro. Ade a ye beto etia NDC na wo ka kire me da be na wo to abama NDC. Me say abroche bola na mo kwa na makwose saba no. Someone hwe ni a yes you be rise up against you the spare parts dealers. Because with him majority of cars are SSA or Ghana kwan so. Car we nam na ne bo joint 2. Car we nam na ne tire pai. Tire sisaba chroma 99%. Ni nyina awe egu abroche na makwose saba. Accidents so Ghana apart from our roads being narrow. About 60% of our accidents in every the part you people bring to Ghana. Broni bien wa obema nyoma na modeba Ghana se mo beto ama no obema na pass test to abroche se broni traka nim. You people know munyina munim. Taisa awewewe. Taisa awewe obekro na mo hehya tais kokosku. Na se me ko change me Benz tais almost $1,200. Obekota na awe ne ato atwe na air bubbles no na Ghana fo akose sande blegu container mu mo ba fiare mo ba hentan so omo bedi nkofo yere bekeka nkwase asem abrochire bola no na mo sesa begu Africa mo ba so pija beti ene spare parts dealers ena de spare part dealer be na o Ghana or the original thing na bedu Ghana o ka chon so original ne de enye wana ka just original enye he wana ka chon say original part enye moye ne ye charge wo so a ohu mo so say abrochire bola begu Ghana ka se gu Ghana ese bebrebe nyina mo nyoma fun ya mo de beyi mo ma yan kan kura nkyere mo ye sa check say port ye beje sika kakra wo ha na ma fe mo to keka nkwase asem ye ntia ase mo ya ye the quality check bi baba port wo hu mo nyina you be out of business and the kokrom Come nyina bosio kan to swami oto kan. Kwhwe mo nyom mo ton. The first time we call our places, we say, when you're moton, obi to be time be free at the chim, no paper home, where they are nice one power. Me say, at the full way, the second Moja. Massa, the publican AI system, no, it has come to stay. Ebema yesika. It is better for you people to sit, analyze the system, work with the Ghana Revenue Authority, work with the government, and let's get some work done. Because nobody is scrapping it. Obia you free ho. Obia niwa obey you free ho. So it is better you get used to the system. It is better you get used to the system. Inti enya dia ye be so ensemfon so ha. Wa ofili so be strike obi ambo tuo. That is the beauty of democracy. Ofili so be strike, you can go on strike. Nobody is going to beat you. Metesen and say teacher for me say for mo strike beautifully. Omu yoma kofi akoda. Opportunity ba ban be bie no ma pejuma mom. That's how it works. Obia do obia tokwa. I will not sit here and stop anybody from going on strike. I will never do that. So who feel say now say about it is your right to get on the street to protest for Ghanaians to know say you after that we are not kofi akotwen. You don't do you see. Mama adwene nyam say sa tete politics na ye be kan de ye be ye we mu ahye no ye be hwe na wo sorry a woni me be sika free buy ye de chechire Ghana. You have no idea why like crampo say wenya abanya e kan no kora kire wo enti mo last one nie mo amosem ye spare parts dealers se mo anya nyoma yi na mo kasa by heart massa. And you see mameka bibin cham there's one secret I want to tell you. You see Chinese for no. And I would like to talk to the GRA boss about this, the commissioner himself. Ghana for Eco China, Eco Fa, the same Chinese car cyber system. And you see, I'm one person, I've always advocated, say, China malls, they don't be in Ghana, no, they should shut it down. I don't know, the government doesn't want to listen, it's fine. And because the more you allow these China malls to be set up, no, there will be pressure on the local market. Ghana for no bujo. And what is going to happen and say the rippling effect and say omo beji ejumane free Ghana for no omo ye omo de inketenkete no, then they will also turn against the government. And today be catch Ghana for Mr. T sa de advocacy ejuma say we should stop the Chinese from opening malls in Ghana. We don't have any problem with the Chinese. If the Chinese want to come to Ghana and get themselves involved in production, we will allow them to do production. So Chinese 4% will be a company waha. And so they sent you and say, Omoni air government of Ghana, Agric Ministry, Eba be a fertilizer, a plant. We support that. If the Chinese are going to come to Ghana and get themselves involved in production, employing Ghanaians and producing in Ghana, I will support that 100%. But I will never support Chinese going down and destroying the retail market. And I would like to tell the GRA boss, I am beginning to think and say, we are allowing the Chinese to take advantage of the system too much. As much as these Chinese, they have opened their arms and telling us they want to work with us, they are somehow taking advantage of us too much. And we need to set up and look at how they are basically, because right now, no, we have been able to stop them from entering our forests. The rate at which under Ekufuado ne Baumia, Chinese for no go forest almost say say quiet. Right now they are scared. So the percentages form right now they have channeled their energy into retail. Now there's something happening in Ghana, and maybe say Ghana need to form. And this is a message to the GRA boss and the finance minister. The Chinese are doing something at our port, and we need to pay very close attention to this. The Chinese funny and say. And if the GRA boss is anywhere, they should cut the piece and send to him a very nice person. I have been on him some last time on the finance until I saw the changes that had to be made. Now, Chinese phone DB. There's a lot of Chinese cars in Ghana right now. And what is happening is almost a local market when it comes to the automobile market. And the Omo say, and sometimes Rubusa will say, how are they able to do that? And the reason why they are able to do what I'm about to say, then they say, they connive with our own customs officials. And I am happy about this publican AI system. I think I will because okay, at the end of the port very important. Now I want to draw the attention of the GRA commissioner and the finance minister. Maybe some draw my attention to something. Ghana ni etumine a year. Let me take these 2 pence. Ghana ni etumine a year. Chinese ni or China. Almost to the same car. Almost car say what China. Almost to be to car no in China. $20,000. $20,000. Now, almost ship car from China. They are charged about $5,000 each for each car. Technically, car no aqua could do $25,000. So I'm the car be drew Ghana. Chinese ni shipping it diaba. Na Ghana ni shipping it diaba. So I'm nya ebasa omuba betonwa. Averagely, ube car no ebia be 100,000 Ghana cedis for each car. Meaning, plus car no cost or toye, shipping from China and taking the car out in Ghana no ebia plus 1 minus 1. Ni nyina ye ebia 150,000 Ghana cedis. And now 150,000 ode yanyan in cedis. 150,000 cedis. Now the interesting thing is Chinese if did the same car, the same price, the same taxes and the same port use here no. Omo bedru Ghana. Car na Chinese if no kofa ba ye na ye nyina ni omo kofa no. Ye bedru Ghana pena Chinese if de na efu. And that is why we are getting a lot of Chinese cars in the system. Ghana need to make over Chinese cars 20. Chinese need to make over Chinese car 20. The same brand. The funny thing is, let's say Chinese need to discount kakra or China because we're Chinese need a 5% discount. There are some discounts be a bar. It is unreasonable because when it comes to the port, we not the same price. Chinese need to be bar. Now a ton car no 70,000, but averagely that car should be sold at 120,000. Then you ask yourself, say, then a Chinese ordinary Ghana need to carry the same price. A shipping at the same price. And you know port the same price. And your crampono, so Chinese indicators or the car so it should not be less than 100,000. But you will see, say, Chinese need to the car the bar, no tonkan 60,000. Now Ghana in the Martin area, he needs to sell the car at 90,000. Then you ask yourself, say, a dear magic pana Chinese for ne ya, omu China cars in Bedru Ghana. Na sa China cars na abe for Ghana for na. Almost China, China cars. It is because when they get to our ports, there are some people there who are making these Chinese misdescribe and bring in the cars without paying the right taxes. In the Chinese phone, how many Ghana for not talking at the same price or her into a bad town and the Corolla keke. You come to Ghana, you cannot even sell Corolla because cars be this Toyota cars are and can easy because people know say their engines are durable and that they last for long and their parts are very easy to get. And the Corolla crowd see a garage iron top. Ghanaians are buying more Chinese cars all because the Chinese are making money at our ports. Chinese if only do your port one, there are some custom officials they don't allow them to pay the right amount of money they have to pay. Uber will say Chinese for now, China cars have a good system. They are destroying the local automobile business. And I think there is a cartel in Ghana. They have been able to enter our system to the point whereby either say the cars they don't declare all, they don't pay all, or they are giving some crazy discounter. The moment on the PA free port, automatically the Ghanaian man, the car, and I say whatever he went to buy in China, it becomes costly than a Chinese in India. And these are the things we need to be looking at. And I think there's something happening at our ports. In this our steady Ghana system, this is here. When you go into the system, people are not buying the European cars. They are not buying because now the force na begum, the China cars na any durable na begum, and for some reason, Ghana folk and Chinese folk at the same price. The Chinese come and they sell it lower than even the average price. And sometimes you ask yourself, say, it is because there are some people at our ports. They are conniving with the Chinese to dupe us. Anytime I can just say this publican AI system, very important. Say these kind of things will not happen at our port. But right now, at the Kudintel, you are seeing the influx of Chinese cars in Ghana. Is because the Chinese are doing something at our port. The Chinese are either under declaring or they are doing something at the port whereby anytime their Chinese cars enter Ghana, automatically every car becomes costly. Say obi eton the Corolla or ton basic cars because and the over Ghana can be in Twinto, Corolla in Twinto. There are some cars Ghanaians believe that they are durable cars. Matters near the go to Minto because the Chinese have found a way of bringing in these shitty cars at a very low cost. And how are they able to do that? And just say, there are people who also go to China and buy the same car at the same cost. And in Ghana, 60%. It is because there are some people back home at the port. There are some people who have connived with the Chinese, either custom officials, politicians, who are making the Chinese bring in these cars at a very lower rate. But this publican AI system, no, that is what it has come to do. Every single car, every single Adiebi Abefa port, no, this system will help. So custom official near Cromfokra, the system will be able to detect, say, the car has been undervalued. The container has been undervalued. The car, no, the declaration, no, some things have not been declared. So this AI system, no, the publican AI system, no, is just in support, helping and checking the system. And it's a study. Mamika be bincho. Ebia wouldn't be. There are so many custom officers in Ghana, only importers. Do you know that? And I trust this GRA boss. I trust this custom boss. The new one now about any GRA boss. I know. And I trust them, and I know they weed all these people out. There are some custom officials, Tema Port, Takrade Porter, they themselves, they are importers. And you see, they have registered companies in people's names. Now, what they do is say, sir, a custom officials, no, Omo kofa cars in the name of Kwame Jato, but a only company na kofa cars naba. What they do is, as custom officials, no, over to 5 custom officials are Omo long room, no more importers. They are car importers. So they talk to each other. Boga, me container bedroom. Me cars 5 in the womb. Me cars 4 in the womb. They say, I burn it then. Or say, container number 770 is okay. And the moment will take it tomorrow. Now, container was here charging, maybe at 300,000. Now charging 15,000. That is how they are able to mess the system up. So this AI system now, at the first GRA Commissioner Diabano, it's a backup system. Now, the AI system will check the container by itself. Now, when the AI system checks the container, nobody can influence the system and say, they need to reduce the price to 15%. And that is what some of them, it is also a fighting this publican system now. A custom officials, dealers, almost share importers, nature say, because the more importers near the no, almost businesses will be safe, they'll be able to steal from the port. And you don't just see these things and say, oh, genuinely, some importers have genuine concerns, which we all understand, we all respect. There are some few flashes over. We understand, but the main reason here, leadership, importers. There are some custom officials, importers, and these are the people who are telling importers they won't go strike. Mama GRA the pressure they will give in. The GRA should not give in. This school is from within. I know my people. I know how they operate. Me Ghana na obi di 3 million Ghana cedis or Ghana port. Say onimi na ye juma. And this person me body din one of the biggest importers in Ghana. And I confronted him. I said, "Hey, why do you go to this Lebanese and use my name and say I am your friend. You work with me and I should give you this money?" I'm telling you, I know what they can do at the port. I know what they can do at the port. Into this system, no, some of the custom officials, no, and I must say, no, catch importance. Because 90% of those corrupt custom officials, no, they are importers. I am telling you. So me be phone lines now. Not genuine businessmen or me port, no, you'll be shocked. 90% of custom officials or me port. Ebia ende and a system no esesa and then we have gotten a new custom official boss and also analyze it. Most of them don't cause a problem with. I am telling you. But hey, this administration, I trust them. This new custom commissioner, I trust him. This new GRA commissioner, the finance minister, they will set the system right. The amount of money we will generate from our port in 1 year, you people will be shocked. We will be that. The amount of money this system is going to generate from the port, Ghana Nibia be shocked. Agitation it is politically motivated. Yes, because sa AI system we ejina sa area mu wiya ne Chinese for mu wiya ne Ghana phobia omugu port we they are not going to be able to do that. They know. They know. Inti mama me andwene samu de na omo ye ene ye ntiase mo forget your mo. They all say on person be adwuma bi obetuma kokra tomatoes. So I say okra spare parts inti AI system na ba no we didn't jinwa kokra tomatoes. Because what so many options and yes spare parts nkwa na obetuma akra. Inti mo amwo kumase no na mo ye de nyanyanya munja spare parts na mo kokra in toast. Because ultimate to spare parts dean eyi on person only aban betena say adwendwene ama ene kokran toast ene de only Burkina wo buy ya na be park no aton adan dean by force ehunahuna no nti muka sa na nanka ato force yema hyehye no na Anthony Sapon yema hyehye no na Ghana aban akwele ne eyi system no fi wo hwe when the system no fi wo it has come to stay ene de fashion team nti mo pieto no onko horo.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,